Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find this section with the personalizations and enter the sound. Now let's scroll down to find the ringtones. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list, let's say, of the ringtones notifications tone. What's more, here you can decide for what SIM card you want to set the ringtone, because as you can enter two different SIM cards, you can divide the ringtones between them. So that's quite a cool option. As you can see here, we've got three different highlighted options from which we can choose. Of course, we can listen to them. Just tap on it, and I hope that you can hear it. I don't want to volume it up, as it will disturb us. So you can check those three if you like them. You can turn them off just by tapping on them again, but if you don't like them, just tap on all ringtones. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available phone ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got the option none, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any ringtone, any sound to notify you about the incoming call. What's more, we can enter the music, and it simply means that you will be able to pick the music from your internal storage. So if you will have any songs, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to those options, and again, if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sound, simply tap on it and you will be able to listen to it. So let's pretend that I want to set this one, and all we have to do is to simply tap on OK. Just make sure that it is marked, and as you can see here, we've got the information that the continuous cycle is our current ringtone, which again means that your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.